Bonjour, mes amis.
Bonjour, we're coming to you from the lovely Paris.
And why am I talking French? Well, to prove to you how bad my French is.
Yes, as you all know, we are from Canada and our French should be a lot better than it really is. But we're going to take some steps to correct that.
Yeah, when Babbel approached us to do some French lessons, we jumped at it because we've been in France a lot this year and we realized just how bad our French is and how we need to get better.
So what are we going to do about it? We're going to do French Fridays.
Yes, we believe in being accountable. So if we tell you now that we are doing French Fridays every Friday on our YouTube channel, we are going to show our progress on how we are doing with our French lessons.
And then we're going to take what we've learned during those French lessons, head back here to France next summer and put it to use. Because we want to show you that by learning a bit of the language, you can have a much more immersive experience.
So join us for the next 6 months every Friday as we share French Friday. We're going to show a little bit of facts about French and maybe some things to do, but we're also going to show our progress on how we are doing at speaking.
So follow along, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss one of our French Fridays, and join us as we take our journey to learn French.